Welcome to Product Critique, the ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and recommendations on the best gear for creators. Today, we're diving into what we consider one of the best ring lights for content creators in 2025, the UBeesize 12 inches selfie ring light with a 62 inches tripod stand. Whether you're into YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or simply want to level up your Zoom calls, this product promises a complete, reliable lighting solution right out of the box. And spoiler alert, it actually delivers. Let's start with the build. Right off the bat, the UBeesize ring light looks sleek in matte black and feels impressively solid. The standout here is its powerful 12-inch LED ring equipped with 240 high-efficiency LEDs. This isn't your average 10-inch ring light. It's actually 25% more powerful than most 10-inch models, putting out 10 watts of bright, consistent illumination. Whether you're filming beauty tutorials, conducting interviews, or streaming live, the lighting output here is clean, professional, and shadow-free. One of the biggest selling points of this ring light is how customizable the lighting is. You get 10 levels of brightness, from a soft 10% glow to a studio-like 100%, and 5 adjustable color temperatures ranging from 3000K to 6000K. That means whether you want a warm golden hour vibe or a crisp daylight effect, you can dial in exactly what you need. And it's super easy to control, thanks to the intuitive inline remote on the USB cable. Now let's talk tripod. This isn't some flimsy, bendable thing you'd be afraid to touch. The UBeesize tripod is robust, with an adjustable height that goes all the way up to 62 inches. That makes it versatile for everything, from eye-level standing shots to overhead desk recording. The tripod doubles as a selfie stick too, so if you're on the go or shooting travel content, this one tool can adapt to your needs. The flexibility doesn't stop there. The tripod head rotates a full 360 degrees, and it comes with a universal phone holder that adjusts easily for vertical, horizontal, or overhead shots. It supports most smartphones, GoPros, webcams, tablets, and even compact cameras. No adapters needed. Just click, mount, and shoot. You get the 12-inch LED ring light, the extendable tripod stand, a phone holder, a Bluetooth remote for hands-free shooting, and a USB power cable. Everything's ready to go straight out of the box. No extra purchases, no complicated setups. For content creators, educators, or anyone working in video production or virtual communications, this is a full professional-grade setup at an entry-level price point. With over 90,000 ratings and a #1 bestseller badge in macro and ring light flashes, the community clearly agrees. Not to mention, it includes everything you need to get started. Add in Amazon's reliable delivery and return policies, and it's a no-brainer. So, if you're looking to elevate your lighting game, improve the quality of your video content, or just want to look better on camera, the UBeesize 12 inches ring light is a serious contender you shouldn't overlook. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more in-depth product breakdowns every week. Until next time, light it up and keep creating.